Thank you for having me. My name is Mohammad Al-Jallad. I work for HPE as a chief technologist, part of the global HPC and AI organizations. My focus is mainly on AI factories and sovereign AI capabilities. Been with HPE for over 19 years now. What I like about my job most is the customer interfacing, the learnings, the innovations that I see in the company and around us in the technology. With a pleasure. So NVIDIA and HPE, I think they've been partners for a long time now, but a few years ago, we even doubled down our partnership, bringing two large organizations to deliver to our customers the best of AIs. When we talk about the best of AIs, this is something that spans, expand beyond the hardware and the GPUs by bringing the full stack from storage, networking, to software capabilities, to blueprints, and services and use cases to our clients to focus on turning data into intelligence and intelligence into outcomes. This is what we bring to the world, and we wish to amplify that as to come. Yeah, and this is very important because there is a huge demand with the shift toward AI and the growth in the data. There is a huge demand to have a massive computational power. And I don't know if you know, but HPE today powers the world's fastest supercomputers. And we are also showcasing one of them, El Capitan, on our stage. I mean, part of the El Capitan. This is very important for us because we bring the know-how in building those massive supercomputing powers. But we also bring, we started to see the world shifting to building kind of AI factories, what we call special type of data centers, optimized for AI workload versus traditional applications. And we bring those flavors to service providers, organizations who need to deploy AI at a scale, encompassing the whole stack from hardware, software, and services. And we even bring what we call sovereign AI capabilities for governments and model builders who need to ensure the complete compliance with the regulations and the country laws. Yeah, and that's we always saw the enterprise as a future distributed, right? Edge-centric, cloud-enabled, and data-driven. And we noticed that the world's going to go hybrid, and that's why we define the cloud as an experience and not destination. We believe that organizations, they go to cloud for the speed, agility, pay-per-use, but also they need to have those capabilities in a secure way. That's why we released this GreenLake models over 14 years ago to bring all those capabilities for customers, but within on-site, within their firewalls, so that they can leverage or live the experience of the cloud. And we can't feel prouder that this is basically the trend these days. And we are empowering a lot of our customers, and we have over 96% retention rate for the customers who are deploying GreenLake, which is allowing them to leverage the cloud experience on-prem across all workloads, including AI, with different charging mechanisms, let's say cloud on your own terms. And we have increased adoption of this GreenLake, especially in this economy of the world. Yeah, we're always expanding in this view. I mean, this view is really growing, and we will see the potential, especially in mega trends like the AI. And our teams keeps increasing because we see the opportunities, and we need to make sure that we bring to our customers the best and the latest technologies. So we always bring the latest trends across networking, hybrid cloud, AI, Gen AI, agentic AI, physical AI, and even robotics. So we're excited about the future, and we're excited about being in this geo.